is so nice, so beautiful, so elegant. We are at Gulmarg, almost 9,000 feet above the sea level, and we are so fortunate that we are witnessing this beauty of nature, the live snowfall. We are so happy. This is the best moment of our life. As you can see, my wife is inside the hotel room and she is enjoying from the window view. So amazing, and this speed is almost increasing. Wow, now we know why this Kashmir is known as Jannat, because this is close to Jannat. What we are witnessing right now, this is so amazing. Wow, wow. You can see her the fish. She is smiling. She looks so amazing.